Lie, lie, la 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 la
La la la la la la la.
lie, lie, la 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 la.
La 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 la.
Old Farmer Don lived on a hill with a farm that's bright and still. Every morning he'd sing along, calling animals with a happy song.
Yee-oh, yee-oh, yay.
That's the tune he loved to play.
Yee-oh, yee-oh, yay.
Farm friends join him every day.
Out in the field a cow would sway, shaking grass and hay all day.
With a moo moo moo,
Here to moo, moo, moo.
they're soft and lively everywhere.
Cows joined on without a care. Down by the pond the duck would glide, flapping wings from side to side.
With a quip quip quaw,
Here to caw, quip, quaw.
their splashy sounds fill up the air.
Duck song echoes everywhere.
Up on the hill a woolly sheep bounced around with happy leaps.
With a bee-ba-bee here and a bee-bee-ba there, fluffy voices everywhere, sheep sing proudly with a flair.
Near the barn a horse would trot,
Clip-clop echoes on the spots, with a trot-trot-trur here and a trot-trot-trur.
their rhythms dancing in the air.
Horses prancing everywhere. Yee-oh, yee-oh, yay.
Come along and sing today.
Yee-oh, yee-oh, yay.
Farm friends shout hooray, hooray.
Yee-oh, yee-oh, yay. Yee-oh, yee-oh, yay. Kav&Av tune stories and rhymes for happy times. Kav&Av tune stories and